Before looking for opportunities, I always zoom out. Crizzle spent several months making lower highs while respecting a falling trend line. Every rally was sold into, keeping the broader structure under pressure. The first question isn't should I buy? It's has anything changed? Notice how price reacted around the blue support zone. This area has attracted buyers multiple times. Strong support doesn't guarantee a reversal, but it tells us where demand has repeatedly appeared. As long as this zone holds, buyers still have a reference level to defend. After months of respecting the falling trend line, price finally closed above it. A trend line break by itself is not a buy signal. It simply tells us that selling pressure may be weakening. The next step is to see whether buyers can maintain control. The breakout area now becomes an important support zone. If price holds above this level and buyers continue to defend it, confidence in the breakout improves. The increase in volume is another positive sign, because strong moves are generally more convincing when participation expands. Price and volume should work together. This chart is now on my watch list. Bullish case. Price continues holding above the breakout area and starts making higher highs and higher lows. Bearish case. Price falls back below the breakout zone, turning this into a failed breakout. A chart doesn't predict the future, it presents possibilities. My job is to follow price, not to force an opinion. Before looking for an opportunity, I always zoom out. One thing immediately stands out on this chart: a major demand zone that has been respected multiple times over the past year. Every significant decline into this area has attracted buyers and resulted in a meaningful recovery. The first question I'm asking this week is simple. Will buyers defend this level once again? This isn't the first time Vedanta has reached this zone. Look at the previous reactions. Each visit to this demand area resulted in strong buying pressure and a move higher. Markets often remember important price levels because that's where buyers and sellers have previously agreed on value. That doesn't guarantee another bounce, but it certainly earns this level my attention. After testing support once again, prices started to stabilize. The recent candles are showing reduced selling momentum, and buyers are beginning to respond. At this stage, I'm not calling it a reversal. I'm simply observing whether this support can once again become the foundation for the next move higher. Rather than predicting, I prefer waiting for confirmation. The small consolidation near current prices becomes the first area to watch. A convincing breakout above this range would suggest buyers are gradually taking control. Until that happens, patience is far more valuable than anticipation. Vedanta remains on my watch list because the chart is sitting at an important decision point. Bullish case. Buyers defend the support zone, price breaks above the recent consolidation, and momentum continues higher. Bearish case. Price loses this demand zone, signaling that buyers are no longer in control. For me, this isn't about predicting the next move. It's about preparing for both possibilities and letting price make the decision. Before looking for a trade, I always step back and study the broader structure. Delhi Very has been respecting a rising price channel for several months, making higher highs and higher lows. That's an important observation because the larger trend still remains constructive. The question now isn't whether the trend exists. It's whether this pullback creates the next opportunity. Strong trends rarely move in a straight line. After reaching the upper boundary of the channel, the stock has entered a correction. Instead of seeing this as weakness, I'm asking whether this is simply a normal pullback inside a continuing uptrend. Healthy corrections often reset momentum before the next move begins. Price is now approaching a key support zone marked in blue. This area aligns with previous buying activity and also sits close to the lower half of the rising channel. If buyers begin defending this zone again, it could become the foundation for the next leg higher. This is the area I'll be watching most closely during the coming week. Another detail that catches my attention is volume. During the recent decline, trading activity increased, showing that market participants are becoming more active. Volume alone doesn't tell us who is winning, but if buying volume starts increasing while price holds support, that would strengthen the bullish case considerably. Price and volume together usually provide a much clearer picture than either one alone. Delivery remains on this week's watch list because it's approaching an important decision point. Bullish scenario: price respects the support zone, buyers step back in, and the stock resumes its journey toward the upper boundary of the channel. Bearish scenario: a decisive breakdown below the support zone would weaken the current trend and force me to reassess the chart. I'm not trying to predict the next move. I'm waiting for the market to confirm the direction before acting.